What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming out with a video. I don't know if this is clout chasing. I don't think it's clout chasing, but I think it's just more of a smart marketing move. You feel me? Stay tuned. So before we get started, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy's channel. I really appreciate it. If you do, thanks to all the fans. Shout out to all the fans, all the waivers, anyone that's coming to the channel right now to look at any of my videos. Make sure you go back and look at some of the old videos because they can really help you. But this video today is going to be talking about something that I've noticed on Instagram. So and of course, you know, down in the comment section, let me know how y'all feel about this, because to me, I feel like it's smart. It's just a marketing move. It's smart. So let's talk about a particular waiver right now. We're gonna talk about a guy named 360 Jeezy. Shout out to 360 Jeezy, man. He's one of the waivers that I looked up to in the wave game. Even to this day, just he's very motivated and inspiring person. His ambition, his drive, and everything like that is just unmatched. But he's very consistent. But one of the things that I noticed about this guy, he's smart. He's just super smart. What I'm noticing right now on Instagram, I don't think no one else has picked up on it. And I don't know if they have, they may think that it's clout chasing. They may think that, oh, he's just trying to get attention. But he's really positioning himself in different lanes to be able to make these huge power moves. It's a power move what he's doing to me. So as I'm always scrolling through Instagram, let me get my phone here. Every time I scroll through Instagram, I'm always looking at waivers and things like that. And you know, Jeezy, he's been big in the wave world for so long, and then he crossed over into you know, cutting hair and stuff like that, and doing haircut tutorials and stuff like that. And now, what I'm seeing on Instagram from this guy a lot is a lot of these drip pictures, these you know, fashion type pictures he's been posting up. And I'm just going to Instagram right now, and it's like he's doing like a daily drip type thing. And just looking at some of these photos, this to me just screams someone who knows what they're doing when it comes to marketing and business. The man has made a name for himself in the wave world. He's made a name for himself in the barbering world, or whatever you want to call it, the haircut world and stuff like that. And I think he's onto something. He really understands that he's onto something, because his name is such a like advert at this time. Because his name is so big at this point, you know, now it's time to figure out how do you go into different lanes and other lanes that are going to position you to be even bigger than what you are, and to make even more of an impact on a more global level. And I think this whole thing here, what he's trying to do here is connect to the fashion world. You know, he's trying to connect to the fashion world. He may be trying to connect to, you know, yeah, like I'm looking at one, like I'm looking at this right now. These daily drips, like denim by such and such, use code 360. Yeah, see, he's getting off into the fashion world, you know, clothing, you know, world and stuff like that. You never know, this guy may be creating his own clothing line soon. So this guy's super smart, man. I just wanted to bring this up on a video right quick, because a lot of people are going to try to hate off this man about this. Like they're gonna try to throw some salt on his name. And to be honest, you cannot throw salt on this man's name at this point. I mean, he's even getting his kids involved, man. You talking about a creative dude. This is pure creativity right here. Like these daily drips, man, I ain't gonna hate on him. He sauced up. He sauced. Even the one, I like the one with his daughter. Like the one with his daughter is super, super dope. She look like she run things too. That's I think her name's Tatiana. But yeah, man, like tell me what y'all think, man, about these daily drips that 360 Jeezy is doing. Do you feel like this is just for attention? Do you feel like this is just some clout chasing type thing? I know me personally, I don't. Like I said, I just feel like it's a smart marketing business move to get into a different world, which it comes to fashion. And he could be talking to some designers, he could be going on some fashion shows and stuff like that. Man, the guy's just smart. It is what it is. That's just how I'm looking at it. You feel me? I wonder what he's using too to take these photos, because I do a lot of photography work, and these photos are pretty. I mean, they can be better with the filter that he's using, but they're pretty good. They're pretty decent. They're decent. I give him that. I don't know if he's using that 80D. I know he uses an 80D Canon, which is a pretty decent camera. But the filter that he's using on these, I wouldn't use it as much. I would change it around a little bit. Tell you one thing, you want to, Jeezy, if you listen to this video, man, play around with Lightroom, bro. Like Lightroom CC, play around with that on your phone. I mean, it's free to download on your phone, Lightroom, and play around with the colors in these photos, man. You want to get more of a, these photos here, they're high in contrast. So, and this is just me, this is just a photographer side of it. A lot of these photos are high in contrast, and too much contrast almost makes the photo look a little unreal, so you want to put that real back into your photos, you know what I'm saying? This one here, right here, where you got the like smiley face on your sweater and going down the steps, this one's pretty dope. Now that one's pretty dope because you're using basically the natural sunlight that's coming into the house. So I kind of like that. I definitely like that one. Yeah. Always use that natural sunlight, bro. Always use that natural sunlight. See, I can tell right here on this photo too. Like I can tell right here, the ones where you're rocking the peanut butter. I think those are peanut butter ones. Yeah, those are peanut butter ones. Just a lot of extra detail on those that you're taking away from the realness of the photo. Other than that, man, I see what you're doing, bro. You doing your thing, man. Shout out to 360 Jeezy, man. I always got to show props to the legend, man. The OG, the GOAT, one of the GOATs, man. So, but I just want to get y'all feedback. Let me know what y'all think down in the the comment section about what the man's doing. Other than that, man, it was a pleasure coming in. It's your boy HB. 3. I'm out of here.